Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new here, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button so YouTube could recommend my videos to other people to watch. So today we're working on doing 2 ponytails with zigzag going straight down the middle. This is an easy style for you to do. All you have to do is part your hair in 2, and you're going to do the zigzag style going straight down. You want to keep going straight back, and you want to make sure your lines are straight so it looks very neat. All right, so once you finish making your zigzag part straight down the middle, then you get the first half of the ponytail and you comb it out, make sure it's detangled, and then you just want to put it up with your hair tie. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to, like you see, I'm combing it out, and then I'm going to put it in 2 twists. So I'm going to separate this afro right here, and then I'm going to make it into 2 twists. You can do as much twists as you want. I'm just using 2 twists for this hairstyle. Now we're on to the next side. I am combing out the hair and I'm detangling it as I did on the other side. And then I'm putting it up in the hair tie. And as you can see, my parts, you can see the parts coming out now that I'm putting it up in 2. And you can see how straight the lines are. And then I'm going to put it in 2 twists. Right now, I'm just getting some edge control. I'm putting it on the perimeter of her hair, and I'm just going to put a little bit over the middle and the back. So I'm going to get my small brush, my edge control brush, and I'm just going to slick the edges down and the back and the middle, just to get it to be a little bit sleeker and neater. Right now, I am putting 1 clip on each side. So that was 1. And I'm going to put the other clip on the other side. And you can use whatever color clip you want to use. You can make the clip match the outfit, wherever you're going, just to spice up your hairstyle. So additionally, I'm going to add 2 red bows, 1 on each side, just to give it another little pop. And that's the end of it. Voila! And if you guys like this video, please leave a comment in the comment section to let me know, and hit the like button and let me know what other videos you would like for me to do.